Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today's Thursday. Today is Thursday and what's the time? I woke up late again. Guys, I woke up by 12 today, literally, and it is 1:30. So I've been in bed for an hour 30 minutes. Whoa, you guys, why is it so hard? Like, why is it so hard to get up from bed? It's because I'm not going to school. Today is another free day for me. If I was going to school now, I would have been up since like 7. I'm happy, free day. Anyway, yesterday, you guys, I found out that Final Cut Pro, I could download it for 90 days, which is so cool. And I was trying to edit last night. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, by the way. So it's Vlogmas Day 3, right? Yeah, so yesterday I found out that I could actually download Final Cut Pro for 90 days. And I tried like editing my previous vlog. And then I slept off editing. Actually, I think I slept off by like 2. That's why I woke up so late. But yeah, so I don't really have much to do today. I'm actually expecting something. I ordered small chops. I love small chops so much. So it's almost here. So it's on its way. I just decided to come up here and tell you guys, how am I still feeling sleepy? I'm honestly still feeling like I need to go back to bed. But yeah, I'm going to get the small chops when it comes, and I'll just tidy up my house so I can start my day. I'm thinking of going to make my hair, like just go and get cornrows again, because the one that's under this thing, you guys don't want to see it. So anyways, that's what I plan on doing today. I'll probably go and get cornrows, and I have to cook. Oh god, my small chops is here. I'm coming, guys. Let me go and get it. So guys, spring roll and samosa just came. Please nobody should ask me why I ordered so much. I am in love with spring roll and samosa. So I'm just going to devour this. Oh my god. And then I'm going to clean my house. People of God, it is just 4:30 and it looks this dark. It looks like it is 9 p.m. or 10. This is why I always feel like I've not done anything for the whole day because it gets dark so fast. I'm like, God, what have I even done today? Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a mini unboxing for you guys. I just received this package from my friend. She makes crochet clothes. So you can get tops, you can get skirts, trousers, anything you want. She literally makes them and they are handmade, and I thought it was really, really nice. I want to try it on for you guys so you guys will see how it looks. Ooh, okay. Gosh, it looks so good. Like, it doesn't even look like it's handmade, but of course it is. So yeah, I'm just going to try this on for you guys. It came with a little note. Thank you so much for your support in my small handmade business. So yeah, I'm just going to try this on for you guys so you guys to see how it looks. It is very affordable and it looks so beautiful. So yeah, let's try it on. I look like trash. I look like shit. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 4, I believe. Yeah, Vlogmas day 4. I have no idea what I did to my hair. You guys, look at my hair. I wasn't even rushing. I was just trying to style my hair, but I don't like the way it came out. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I just reached class, so I'm pretty early today, and I'm actually just waiting for my teacher outside class and my group mates. So yes, just going to let you guys know my hair looks really bad. I'm tired of this week. I have to go make my hair. By the way, yesterday I wasn't able to get my cornrows done because my friend that was supposed to help me do it was busy. So today I'm going to get it done. So yeah, after class I'm going. So I'll see you guys, okay?
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom's. come on.